I was lost, alone, and wet in a strange city. Hello, and welcome to another episode of English Listening Practice with Storytelling. Today, I want to share with you a story from my real life. It's called The Day I Got Lost in Another City. So, sit back, relax, and listen to the story. Are you ready? Let's begin. It was a rainy afternoon in Da Nang, Vietnam. I was traveling alone for the first time. I felt excited, but also a little nervous. After checking into my hotel, I decided to take a walk and explore the city. I left my phone at the hotel because it was almost out of battery. I only brought my wallet and a small map. At first, everything was fine. The streets were beautiful, the people were friendly, and I enjoyed the fresh air near the river. But after walking for about 30 minutes, I realized I had no idea where I was. I looked around. Everything looked different. I couldn't find the way back to my hotel. I took out my small paper map, but I didn't even know where I was on the map. I started walking in one direction, hoping it was the right way. After 15 minutes, still nothing. No hotel. No familiar signs. And now, it started to rain. I had no umbrella. I was wet, hungry, and a little scared. I tried to ask someone on the street for help. I said, "Excuse me, do you know this hotel?" But the man didn't understand English. He smiled and walked away. I felt completely lost. Just when I was about to give up, a young woman stopped her motorbike near me. She looked at me and said in English, "Are you lost? Do you need help?" I was so happy to hear English again. I explained my situation, and she said, "Don't worry. I know that hotel. I'll take you there." She gave me a raincoat, and I sat on the back of her motorbike. After 10 minutes, I saw the hotel again. I couldn't believe it. I thanked her many times. She just smiled and said, "Welcome to Da Nang. Enjoy your trip." That day, I learned something important. Sometimes, it's okay to get lost, because that's how we find kindness. Thank you for listening to my story today. I hope you enjoyed it, and maybe learned a few new English words too. Have you ever been lost in another city? What did you do? Think about it and try to tell your story in English. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories in English practice. See you next time. Bye for now, waving hand.